Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add subscriptions to your Wix site, step by step. If you're looking to offer memberships, recurring donations, or bundled services, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So by the end, you'll be set up to start earning revenue on your site. Adding subscriptions can really level up your business, so let's dive in together and make it happen. All right, first up, let's get started with the Wix App Market. You'll want to log into your Wix dashboard, then look for the App Market option. It's usually found in the left-hand sidebar. This is your go-to spot for finding all kinds of extra features that Wix can plug into your site. Once you're in the App Market, take a moment to type Wix pricing plans into the search bar. This app is developed specifically by Wix to make subscription management straightforward and secure. When you find it, just click the Add to Site button. Sometimes it may take a few seconds for everything to load. Wix is connecting all the pieces behind the scenes so you get a fully integrated experience. So don't worry if things take a minute here. Now, once the Pricing Plans app is added, you'll notice a new option for plans and pricing has appeared in your site's main menu. This page will eventually display all your subscription plans for visitors to browse, compare, and choose from. Let's keep going and actually build out your plans. Click on Manage Plans. This is where you'll be able to see and edit any subscription plans you create. From here, go ahead and hit Edit Your Subscription Plans. This brings you into the dashboard, the control center for your subscriptions. You'll see a button to Create Plan. This is the fun part. You get to customize everything. First, you'll want to give your plan a name. Try to pick something clear and enticing, like Premium Membership or Monthly Supporter. Then, add a short description so your visitors know exactly what they're signing up for. Highlight the main features, whether that's exclusive content, member-only discounts, or priority support. If you're stuck thinking of what to include, just ask yourself, what makes this subscription valuable for your audience? Even small perks can make a big difference. Now, moving on to pricing options. Wix gives you flexibility here. You can choose to offer your plan for free, which is great for growing a community. Set it as a one-time payment, perfect for limited access or special offers, or make it a recurring payment, which creates steady, predictable income for your business. If you're not sure which to choose, consider your goals. Recurring payments work best for ongoing services, while one-time payments might suit online courses or downloadable products. After that, you can customize the settings for each plan. Don't rush. Take a moment to review everything and tweak the details, such as plan duration, trial periods, or cancellation options. This is where you can match the subscriptions to exactly how your business wants to operate. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click Save. Next up is setting up your payment method. Wix supports several payment providers, like Wix Payments, Stripe, and PayPal, depending on your region. Choose the one that fits your needs and follow the prompts to connect it securely. This step is vital. It ensures you'll actually receive the payments from your subscribers, so double-check your details. And here's a great tip. Once you've set up your payment method, you're free to add more plans. Maybe you want to offer a basic tier and a premium tier. It's totally up to you. Giving your audience options can boost conversions and make your offerings more appealing. And that's it. With these steps, your Wix site will now have fully functional subscription options ready for your visitors. Take a moment to preview how your plans and pricing page looks, and make sure everything is working smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any tricky spots. I always check and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck setting up your subscriptions.